Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to IT Snippets. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a GitHub account in preparation for my next Learn to Recode tutorial series. This should make it easier for people to see the changes and to follow the tutorials. So with that in mind, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go across to github.com. So that's www.github.com. Up the top, click sign up. Then enter your email address. And click continue. It'll ask you for a password, so set a secure password. And click continue. And the username, I shall use ITSnippets. So it's available. Click continue. Would I like to see product updates and announcements? I'm going to go with no on that one. Please solve the puzzle. This is new. Click start. Pick one square that shows two identical objects. It's going to be that one then. Okay, I failed. There we go. Try again. Okay, second time lucky. And I click create account. Just going to save my username. It's asking me for a verification code. Okay, so I just need to enter my code here. How many team members will be working with you? Just me, or a student or a teacher? Am I a teacher? I'm teaching other people how to do it. I'll go with teacher. Continue. What specific features are you interested in? None of that. So just continue. You trying to point your AI? No, so just continue for free. And here we go. So it's managed to log me into my community. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is create a repository. It's going to be IT Snippets, and we'll call this one Learn to Code. There probably is one. Oh, there's not. Okay, and it'll be Learn to Code tutorial series. I'm okay with it being public. I shall add a readme to it. I don't know, I git ignore. I'm not sure about that. And the license, I think it would be GNU as far as I'm aware. So I'll just click create repository. And here we go. We've got our first one set up. So what we can do is we could actually upload files now by using the add files and clicking upload and doing it through the browser. But we're probably better doing this using the Git desktop application. So if I just go back to my main repository here, or main list of repositories rather. Okay, to simplify this process, we're going to download the GitHub desktop. And we get that by going to desktop.github.com. It should select your operating system automatically. It is available for Mac OS as well. And just click download, and this will install like any other Windows application. This has been downloaded to my desktop into my download folder, so we'll just double click that and install it. So I need to sign into my GitHub account. It's asking me to authorize the app. It tells me that it's looking for public and private permissions to my repos, some personal user data, and some workflow. So obviously, if I'm going to use this, I have to authorize it. Yep, it's asking me to open it via the app, so I'm just clicking that. I don't understand where that came from. I'll leave it like that and see if it works. If not, I'll roll it back to IT Snippets. So it's given me the option to create a tutorial repository, clone a repository, create a new repository on my hard drive, or add an existing repository from my hard drive. So let's see if I can upload the code I've written so far. So click that. and then choose my path, which should be, because I'm using Visual Studio, users, Davey, source, repos, and I think it's this one. So select folder. Okay. So it's not as simple as doing that. So I'm going to cancel that. Right, what I'll do is I'll create a new repository on my hard drive. And we'll call this Skag Skirmish. That'll make more sense later on when you begin following the tutorial. It'll be VB project to learn to code Skag Skirmish. I don't know why it's going to my OneDrive folder. That seems pointless. Where was it? So C users, Davey documents. Okay. I shall create a new folder in here called GitHub. So just right click. Oh, that's not letting me do it from there. So well, let me just add /GitHub and then /repo. Initialize the repository with README. I'm not sure about git ignore. The license will be GPL3. Can I set this to Visual Basic? Can, Visual Studio. Awesome. Well, that does say ignore. You know what? I don't know what that is, so I'm just going to leave that to none just now. And I'll click create a repository. And we now have a repository. And in the next tutorial, we'll work out how to add files to it. And we will start learning to code. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.